Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use sharing rules in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to go and access our setup page from the setup menu. After that, we need to start creating our sharing settings from the setup. So let's just type sharing settings, and from here we need just to click on it. Now you will find all your objects that you have, or you can choose just some specific objects. So basically, in my case, I will just choose the lead object. And as you can see, it has access using hierarchies, and those are the default external access, and those are the default internal access, which is public, read, write, and transfer. So if we want to change these, we will need simply to add some sharing rules. So now I'm just going to click on new, and basically you will need just to add some rules. And I'm going to add my rules based on record owner. So I'm going to only have to choose which records to be shared, and basically only the lead that would be owned by the members of public groups, and I'm going to choose my public group. So whenever you have some records that are chosen or created by public groups, they will be the only one that would be able to be shared. And now we can choose how with whom they will be shared. So we want the public group records to be shared with only the CEO, for example. And then we will need just to click on save, and the shared setting would be applied. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.